In this video, I'm going to show you how to participate in the Zealy Quest from 9mm. 9mm is a decentralized exchange where you can interact, swap, provide liquidity, and stake your 9mm token. They are going to launch an NFT collection on Base. So today I'm going to show you how you can participate in this Zealy Quest. As you guys can see, this is a Zealy Quest. Zealy Quest is a quest where you can interact. You can do different type of interactions with the website or with Twitter or with different application, and you will receive some points. So today I'm going to show you how you can do it. I'm going to log in with my email address. I'm going to log in right away. It's going to tell me to go to verification. By logging in right away, you guys are going to come into this dashboard right here that you guys are seeing. Now you enter the dashboard. What you're going to do is you're going to follow the instructions. So on the upside, we have welcome and onboarding, explore and learn, verify and engage, deep dive in, and community building. So what we are going to do is we are going to go step by step doing each one of these options. We're going to follow them. Click here. Introduction is very simple. We're going to do the introduction. So I'm going to take my base address, go to my wallet, click on my wallet and deposit my base address. I'm going to save it right away. It's saved, and I'm going to click on this link right here. It's going to send me right away to this X article. For this 9mm article, we are going to just go through it. You can do it. I'm just going to like it. I'm going to retweet it, but I'm going to go back. I did it already, and I'm going to claim. I claim my points right away. It will tell me to go to the next quest. Next quest is reward. Tell you to join a Telegram group. It's going to send me to the Telegram. I'm just going to open my Telegram and I'm already joined it, and I will go back to the quest and I will claim completely. So now it's telling me to go follow the 9mm Pro account. I'm going to follow the 9mm Pro account. I did it already. So by doing that, the only thing that I need to do is follow, and I have to hit the notification button, follow it right here, click follow and hit the notification button. And you are going to follow step by step every quest that they're asking you. So now they're going to tell you to join the channel again. I joined it already. This is a 9mm Pro, so I'm gonna click on it. Right, it will send me there again. That's no problem. I joined it already, and I'm gonna claim the 10 points. Next quest is submit your address. I'm gonna submit, done. And as you guys see, we finished our first quest. So as you guys can see, we just finished the first quest. Now we are going to explore one. So the next one will be explore the DEX, and here is an example of exploring the DEX. We can go into the DEX, go into it and check it out. And then we have the OTC market. Also go and check the OTC market. We have to visit the website, go visit the website, but this one is not yet. This is locked. Over 4 hours it's going to be visible, and you guys can also go do it. So the next one will be verify engagement. Verify engagement is very important. If you are not a meme creator, you can just add and send the tweet, and then just here deposit the link of the Twitter. You're gonna go here, drop it here. The same thing goes for here. Just drop it and create a TikTok. You can connect your TikTok account or drop the link of the video that you created for TikTok. Drop it right here. And the last but not least is the deep dive in and community building is very important. For example, you want to tweet about 9mm, you can create a thread or whatever you want. Next thing is details, platform review. You can add here, write the detailed review of the platform, and here you go with the referral link. You can send this also to invite friends, and this is one of the most important thing, because now you can add your wallet so they can see that you really interact with, let's say, the 9mm DEX, and you're just going to verify your wallet. So in case you are going to do your first transaction on 9mm, or you already done your transaction on 9mm, you can just go and verify that transaction if you really did a transaction. So you want to just go on and verify your account, so we know that you did your transaction there. So now it's verified. You see at least 1 million USC on Base. I'm already verified, and I can claim it right here. So now, for example, I have to do a swap. I can just do a swap on the 9mm DEX and just come here and drop the picture of the transaction that I did. I can drop it here, and here I can add the transaction hash. So for example, I'm going to 9mm. I'm on Base right now. I want to do a transaction. I will just click on 0.001, right? I can make a swap, confirm, continue. Here I'm going to confirm the transaction, and after confirming the transaction, right away you guys will see that we did the transaction. So right now I just need to go to the transaction hash, create a screenshot, go to here and drop the picture right here. Let me check if it's going to do it. Yes, as you guys can see, I did it already. I did my first transaction. I'm going to claim right away and I'm done. Okay, provide liquidity, the same thing. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to go back to 9mm, and here you guys can see that I bought $3. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the section of liquidity providing, and here on liquidity providing, I'm going to just add the same token that I just bought, max it out. As you guys can see, I'm going to add liquidity, add it, continue. Right, so now I'm going to click on the transaction hash, copy the transaction hash, the whole link, right? Take a picture of the transaction, go to 9mm, drop it there, drop the link and claim. So that's providing liquidity, and that's how you keep on going by doing all of these section that you're seeing right here. And as you guys can see, I can come back in weekly rest in 4 days to do this again. So the same thing here, I did it already. Swap on base, copy it, drop it, come here, drop it, go back, drop the picture, copy the transaction hash, drop it here and claim. Guys see, and I can keep on following every one of these steps. So right now at this moment, if I go back to my dashboard, you guys can see that we are on that point right now of everything that has to be done. If we go to leaderboard, you guys will see that I'm here at this moment. But if I go back to the quest, you guys will see that everything is here, is done already. So that's the only thing that has to be done. So guys, I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you guys have any question, let me know and I will be very helpful to help you. And let's go. Shoot.